For generations, the narrative around turning 50 and beyond was always the same. Slow down, count the years to retirement, and prepare to live on a fixed income. But today, that old script is officially outdated. Welcome to Money Quill. In 2025, the economic landscape has fundamentally shifted. Inflation has driven up the cost of living, traditional pensions are dwindling, and the desire to stay active and financially independent is stronger than ever. If you are over 50, you possess something that younger generations simply cannot buy with any amount of money: decades of real-world experience, problem-solving skills, and maturity. The corporate world might sometimes look like a young person's game, but the digital economy tells a completely different story. The rise of remote work has leveled the playing field, allowing you to turn your life skills into a highly profitable side hustle without leaving your living room. You don't need to learn complex coding, you don't need to do exhausting manual labor, and you don't need to put your life savings at risk. Today, we are exploring the 6 best, most reliable, and highly rewarding remote side hustles specifically tailored for adults over 50 in 2025. These are realistic opportunities that respect your time, utilize your wisdom, and offer true financial freedom. Let's look at how you can start your next profitable chapter. The first and perhaps most lucrative side hustle on our list is online consulting and advisory. Think about your career. Whether you spent 30 years in management, accounting, human resources, education, or healthcare, you have accumulated thousands of hours of specialized knowledge. Companies worldwide are constantly looking for this exact expertise, but many cannot afford to hire a full-time, high-level executive. That is where you come in. Through platforms like Clarity.fm, Growth Mentor, or even a professionally optimized LinkedIn profile, you can offer hourly consulting services to businesses and startups. Startups are founded by younger entrepreneurs who often lack tactical experience. They are desperate for a seasoned mentor to guide them through corporate pitfalls. You're not doing the heavy lifting or day-to-day work. You're simply getting paid to think, talk, and analyze. You can easily charge anywhere from $50 to $250 per hour just to share your perspective. This hustle allows you to work entirely on your own schedule, choosing clients that interest you while being deeply respected for the career equity you spent decades building. If you have a sharp eye for detail, an appreciation for proper grammar, and a love for reading, professional proofreading and editing is an exceptional remote opportunity. In the age of AI-generated text, blogs, and self-published books, the internet is flooded with poorly written content. While AI can generate text quickly, it completely lacks the human touch, nuance, and cultural context required for high-quality publishing. Authors, businesses, and academic professionals are paying top dollar for real human editors to polish their work before it goes live. This isn't just about catching typos, it's about checking for tone, clarity, and flow. Platforms like Proofreading Pal, Scribendi, and Fiverr are packed with clients looking for reliable, articulate adults to review their documents. The beauty of this side hustle is its absolute flexibility. You can review a manuscript or a corporate report in the morning while having your coffee, or late at night. It is a quiet, independent hustle that requires nothing more than a laptop, an internet connection, and the command of language you have naturally refined over a lifetime. The role of a traditional secretary has evolved into one of the highest demanded remote positions in modern business, the virtual executive assistant. Busy CEOs, content creators, and online business owners are often overwhelmed by administrative tasks. They are drowning in emails, scheduling conflicts, basic data entry, and project management. What they look for more than anything else isn't tech savviness. It is reliability, high emotional intelligence, and organization. Traits that mature adults naturally excel at. As a remote executive assistant, you become the right hand of a business leader, Your responsibilities might include managing their calendar, organizing digital files, coordinating travel plans, or responding to client inquiries. Companies like Belay, Boldly, and Time, etc., specializes in matching experienced American professionals with executives who need premium support. Because these companies value maturity and corporate professionalism, they pay excellent hourly rates, often ranging from $25 to $45 an hour. It is a structured, fulfilling role that provides a consistent stream of income while allowing you to remain at the center of the modern business world from home. Education is no longer confined to the four walls of a school classroom. The global e-learning market is booming, and there is a massive demand for native English speakers to mentor, teach, and tutor students and professionals worldwide. If you spent your life as an educator, your transition is seamless. But even if you didn't, you can still thrive in this space. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, and Wyzant allow you to tutor students in academic subjects, or simply engage in conversational English with international business executives who want to improve their professional speech. Imagine helping a young corporate worker in Tokyo or Berlin practice their presentation skills. You aren't grading complex test papers. You're simply holding a structured, engaging conversation and offering gentle corrections. It is incredibly rewarding, socially connecting, and allows you to meet fascinating people from across the globe. You control your availability completely, making it an ideal side hustle that fits beautifully around family time or travel plans. Our final two hustles: leverage your voice and your organizational habits. First, consider voice acting. Mature, deep, and reassuring voices are in incredibly high demand for audiobooks, corporate training videos, and narrations. Platforms like ACX or Voices.com allow you to audition for narration jobs right from a basic microphone at home. Authors want voices that project authority, warmth, and life experience, qualities that a computer-generated voice simply cannot replicate. Second is digital event organizing and moderation. With the massive surge in online webinars, virtual conferences, and digital communities, companies need individuals to moderate chat rooms, manage Zoom administrative settings during live events, and ensure smooth operations. It requires calmness under pressure, politeness, and structured thinking, the very definition of maturity. Age is not a limitation in the digital economy, it is your ultimate competitive advantage. The world has enough automated systems and artificial tools. What the world is starving for right now is human wisdom, reliability, and real-world perspective. The 6 side hustles we discussed today prove that your earning potential doesn't decline with age. It evolves. Pick one hustle that aligns with your natural strengths. Take that first step, and remember that you are building assets for your future. If this video brought you value and inspiration, please hit the like button, subscribe to Money Quill, and share this with someone ready to unlock their next financial chapter. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and we will see you in the next one.